We're ready for health today being Monday, March 30th. So we're on pages 22 to pages 25 today in your health book. We're continuing to study about what we eat, our diet, nutrition, and how it affects our body. We talked about on Friday a healthy diet, and you had on page 21 the little plate there showing the different food groups and how we need to portion our sizes that we're eating. Okay? So today on page 22, you're going through 25, you're going to take those food groups and you're going to study a little bit more about them today. On page 22, you have the first column there is vegetables. You'll be reading today about foods that are vegetables. I really enjoy eating a variety of vegetables in my diet, but that's not all I eat. I eat other things as well. So you're going to read there about vegetables. I'm going to talk about eating a variety of color of vegetables. You have yellow and green and purple and red vegetables and different ones that you can eat. So that will be a study there today. Your next column will be fruits, and that's the same thing. We have God gave us an array of different color of fruits and vegetables to eat. So your second column there, you will be studying fruits. I love both of these categories so far. I try to eat a variety of both of those. Now on page 23, you'll be studying today about grains, about breads and pasta and things like that. You'll be talking about, sometimes you have food like cereals and things, and it's got that grain to it. One of the grains that, you'll be studying here will be if you look at the picture on page 23, you see the breads there and pastas and different things like that. So that's what you're going to be, and you'll be talking about grains that occur naturally, and then grains that, you have some of the parts taken out. So sometimes when we take in foods, we process it. We, try to take some things out that we, think may not be there. You'll study that, some cereals there. Page 24, you'll study protein. You'll be talking about some different types of foods that are proteins, and you'll be looking at on page 24, you'll have a label each food group there, and we'll go over that. Page 25, you'll have your dairy reading there. I love dairy, my cheese and milk, yogurt. I even like cottage cheese, stuff like that. That dairy section, if you can kind of think of these as when you go to the grocery store and you're going through, you go through the produce, where your fruits and vegetables are. And then you go around where the dairy is, the eggs and your cheeses and ice cream and stuff like that. You'll read about dairy there. Also today, you're going to look at your page 25 there. You're going to look at your comprehension check, and you'll have that to do also. So I know this is a short lesson today in your health, but if you'll just read these couple of pages, because it will make more sense after you've read it. We can go over it and talk about, pull some things from each group. When we can't do a group reading together, we'll have to read it first and then go over it. So read about your food groups, and then make sure on page 24 and 25 that you do both of those fill in the blank sections. And on page 24, you can even color your sections there, your different food groups. Okay? So again, health, I know this is a short lesson, but just read your pages 22, 25, go over the questions, and then tomorrow we'll pull a little bit more from these once you've read them and go over the comprehension checks there. So our last subject for the day will be history. So if you want to go ahead and get your materials ready for history, that'll be our last subject for the day.